Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A5x and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's begin with opening the phone manager. Of course, give all the permissions it needs. And here we've got, okay, just turn on, alright. And here we've got the section virus scan. Let me go back quickly. Viruses and risks. So let's simply tap on it, and now we have to tap on simply scan, or scan again if you're doing it if it is your second attempt or something like that. And now you can see that your device will basically scan itself. It will scan all of the apps and the processes in order to check some problems, in order to find viruses or any kind of malware, and after that it will show you the information about the results. So let me quickly speed up the video and I will get back to you after the full scan. Alright, finally, we've just scanned everything, and here we've got the information. As you can see, it is secured, and we do not have any kind of suspicious things detected. Under it we've got recommended optimization, so even though we do not have any kind of problems, we can still take some actions to help our device to optimize itself, etc. So there is a system boost or storage cleanup. It's totally up to you. Of course, if your device will find any kind of malware or viruses, it will show you the information about it, and it will also help you to take proper actions to get rid of the risk. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.